And we're back. My name is Dr. Erica Tate, and I am the founder of Blue Knowledge. We are on the tail end of back-to-school season. Principals and school leaders across the country have welcomed teachers, students, and their families back into their school buildings. Right now, you're focused on building relationships with new and returning teachers, whilst trying to figure out what professional learning to provide them so they meet the needs of every student. Our Lower Board workshop, Planning for Instructional Equity, is perfect for your upcoming professional learning days throughout the school year. Teachers engage in collaborative activities and professional dialogue that build their knowledge about what it looks, sounds, and feels like for every student to participate and achieve in their learning communities. Empowered by my work with over 3,000 teachers and leaders across the country, I'm committed to providing professional learning that models how to plan for equitable and effective instruction. Schedule a consultation with me. I'm eager to build my knowledge about your learning needs for students and teachers in your school. I also invite you to visit the Blue Knowledge website to learn more about our equity-driven Lower Board professional learning services. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our newsletter. And finally, as you continue on your journey to accomplishing your goals and realizing your dreams, build more meaningful relationships by shifting your conversation from getting to know you to how can I support you? This week, get back to it. Love you.